bathroom, waiting for my mom kasi I have a job interview again. Yay! This time I'm gonna be having a job interview at Andrew Christian, which is a clothing company for men. And he actually clothes, but underwear. But nevertheless, it's still a graphic design job, and it pays $12 per hour. So I'm sold. So yeah, nantay ko lang ang mom ko, lola ko. And guess what, friends? Since I came here, I got medical insurance, health insurance, blah blah. I have my insurance with Kaiser Permanente. So nagpapacheck up ako ng stuff. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if I've mentioned this before, pero last year kasi May, I went here, diba? Tapos, pinagtripan ko lang yung BP monitor ng mom ko. And I think I had a heart rate of 130, which is not normal. I mean, normal siya if you were working out, but I was just sitting down, making a fool of myself, playing with the BP monitor, and then that alarmed my mom. And then she told me if I came here next year, which is this year, I have to get health insurance and have my heart checked. Well, anyway, nagpa-check ako siguro mga 1 month ago. Actually, nagpa-check pala ako 2 weeks ago. Tapos, nakuha ko yung result. Actually, last week. Ngayon, kasi, I have mitral valve prolapse. That means that my heart, it's not really normal. Normal siya. Pero, diba valve? Yes, meron akong, well, anyway, diba, kunwari valve, tapos nagbi-beat yung heart. Dapat kasi nagbi-beat lang siya. Yung sa akin, pag nag-beat na ganyan, bumabalik na ulit, tsaka ulit bubukas, tsaka ulit sasara. So, parang may hesitation thingy. Kumbaga, hindi siya agad nag-close at nag-open. Parang ganon. I don't really understand. Basta, nangyayari, kaya irregular heartbeat ko dahil meron akong prolapse. Which is actually hereditary. Kasi ang mom ko, lola ko, tita ko, meron. So, ako din meron. Tapos, I asked them, how on earth did I get it besides that my family has it too? Kasi, ang symptoms pala niya, alam niyo nung bata tayo, diba, madalas tayo nagkakasore. Well, actually ako, madalas ako magka-sore throat. So, ang ginagawa ko nagmumumog lang ako ng suka, or tubig na may asin, kasi hello, yun ang sinasabi ng matatanda and stuff. So, ang sabi nila, if you get sore throat at least 3 times a year, you are prone to have what I have, which is yung mild, mitral valve prolapse thingy. Kasi, ang nangyayari, parang, pag nai-infect yung throat mo ng mas madami, 3 times a year, nagkakaroon ng infection, tapos, eventually pumupunta sa heart. I don't know how, I don't know why, basta pumupunta siya sa heart. Eh, nung bata ako, si Miss Little Chrissy ay laging may sore throat, at lagi din ako nagkakalagnat. Pero lagnat ko siguro 1 day lang. Tapos yung sore throat, I didn't mind. I just thought na, kasi sigaw kanina, or whatever. Kasi dapat palang ginagawa, kakain ka agad na antibiotic. Hindi ko ginagawa yun kasi mahal antibiotic sa Philippines. Although parmila kami ng doktor, hindi ko pa rin ginagawa kasi may suka naman tsaka may acid, which is definitely wrong, okay? So, ang sabi ng doktor, I had it since I was a kid. So, nagkaroon ako ng attack nung bata pa ako. Which I'm so curious kasi kailan ako nagkaroon? I mean, curious ako kailan nag-start eh. Although, bata pa lang ako, lagi na ako nagkaka-sore and stuff. Pero nagkaroon ako ng attack nung bata ako, which I didn't know about. And by the way, kasi nung high school pa lang ako, sometimes when I sleep at night, yung heart ko, parang nagsa-stop. Hindi man stop eh. Parang imagine, wala akong props. Basta imagine nyo parang yung heart, parang pinears bigla. Tapos, malamang masakit. Tapos parang nag-contract siya or nag-constrict for split seconds. Hindi ako makakahinga for split second, tapos makakahinga ulit ako. And I thought it was normal. I thought, hindi, siguro bakad lang ako and stuff. Well, I didn't know better back then. Kaya yan, meron akong prolapse ngayon. In-assure naman ako ng doctor na don't worry, kasi it's kinda normal. Kinda. So, pero hello, heart rate ko, mabilis to normal. Like, ang normal kasi is around, I think, 70, 80, I don't know. And I get 116, 130, 150. So, well, ayun. Kaya ako siguro hyperactive kasi mabilis ang heart rate ko. Well, anyway, back to the job interview. Yes, they're still not home. Oh well. Kasi sabi ko, magti-train na lang ako eh. Kasi sanay naman ako mag-train. Kasi ang train from our place to that office is 2 hours. Which is fine for me. Sanay ako mag-isa. Sanay ako mag-commute and stuff. But ayaw ng mom ko. Of course, she's scared shit for me. She said, no, I'm just gonna bring you there. You're gonna wait there for a long time. Kawawa ka naman. And I kept on insisting, no, mama, I'm fine. I'm old enough. Hello, I can do it. But no, kawawa ka naman. 2 oras ka mag-aantay doon kasi ang interview is 12. Pag nag-train ako, 2 hours, I'm get up 8, 9, 10. Darating ako ng 10, alis ako dito ng 8, tapos mag-aantay ako ng 10 to 12 para sa interview. Which is totally fine. So I could be alone and browse people, go whatever, lakwa-lakwa siya. But ayaw niya. Well, anyway, ayun. I heard ulan daw ng ulan dyan sa Philippines. September. Oh, September nga na. Well, dito sa California, ewan ko mix na mainit, mix na malamig. Paggabi, lamig, as in, come on, malamig. So ngayon, naka-turtleneck ulit ako kasi baka malamig sa office. Baka mamatay ako sa pagkaka-interview kasi alam niyo naman, allergic ako sa cold weather. Well, anyway, for my friends, or kahit hindi ko kayo friend, tapos may job na kayo, I salute you. Congratulations. Meron na kayong job, you're earning for yourself. Parang yan na ang ating pinakaantay na ang gagawin. Current job. And for those na like me, still in the pool, looking for jobs, friends, or not friends, kaya natin to. We can do this. Just think positive. If I was there, tapos you're having a hard time, for those of my close friends, they know I would like cheer you on. I would be like your #1 fan. Well, wala lang. Sana meron din nandito, pero wala, kasi wala pa rin akong friends. Actually, last time nag-apply ako sa Apple, for retail, pero kasi, hindi ako nakuha. Ngayon, naisip ko, bakit kaya ako hindi nakuha? Kasi friends, tinignan ko lahat ng kasama ko, ha? Lahat ng kasama ko is mga around, 25 to 35 years old na mga tao na may job experience. Yun ang pinoproblema ko dito eh. Job experience. As in, kung naghanap ako ng job, no, sa Craigslist or something, andyan lahat ng skills, requirements. Pasado ako lahat. Problema ko lang, job experience. I mean, kasi sobrang importante dito. Yung iba doon, at least 2 to 3 years job experience. Hello, kamusta naman? Si Chrissy Buendia, walang job experience kasi galing akong Pilipinas. Wala akong ginawa kundi mag-aral. Fine, hindi mag-aral lagi, mag-party, kain, inom, aral, whatever. Pero hindi ako nagtrabaho. Never. So, syempre, pipiliin nila yung mga taong may mas experience sa retail and stuff. And kasi may background check sa Apple. May background check sila. Kaya inisip ko, wait a minute, ako ay immigrant. Pero, hindi pa ako, although may green card ako, ang hirap explain. I have, my visa for here is conditional. I have until May 2009 to make that non-conditional, unconditional, whatever. Kasi, ang nag-petition sa akin si Daddy Dennis. May rest in peace. So, siya nag-petition sa akin. Inamatay siya. So, ngayon, medyo nahihirapan kami sa papers. Bali, ang mom ko na yung nakasalang sa papers. Pag naging citizen na siya, I hope this year, or early next year, pwede niya na ako going, tawag dito? permanent, as in, hindi na conditional visa. Kasi, syempre, although may SSS number na ako lahat, syempre, titignan ng Apple kung sino yung talagang permanent resident, di ba? I mean, kung sino talaga, syempre, unahan nila yung US citizen, di ba? But anyway, okay lang. Kamusta naman kayo? Wala akong magawa. Kamuha, nilalaro ko tissue. Ano ba yan? Well, anyway, kasi asa CR nga naman ako. Well, ayun lang, friends. Ano na ako maisip sabihin eh. Kaya nakatagal ba ako nagsasalita? Wait. Ooh! 10 minutes. Okay, sige. I'm gonna stop here. Gonna fix some things. Kakain ako. Tsaka medyo nauhaw ako kakasalita. But anyway, okay. For everyone, I miss you all. As in all ha, all. Miss you all. Hindi na ako mag-specify. All. Para walang away. Okay, fine. Goodbye! Ingat.